Milo and the Sky Seeds. Milo was a dreamer. He didn't talk much, but his thoughts were full of questions. Why is the sky blue? What do clouds taste like? Can birds carry secrets from one place to another? Every morning, he sat under the same tree near his house and watched the sky change colors. He drew shapes in his sketchbook. He imagined strange lands floating in the clouds. But one day, something stranger than his dreams happened. As he sat, sketching, a soft humming filled the air. The tree above him began to shimmer. A single leaf fell, not green, not yellow, but glowing blue. Attached to it was something small. A seed. It pulsed with light. It floated up and down in the air, as if it had a heartbeat. Curious, Milo gently held it in his palm. Suddenly, the seed spun like a top, faster and faster. Then, whoosh! It grew into a tiny hot air balloon, just big enough for one boy. The balloon's basket had a note. Plant your sky. Ride your dream! Without thinking twice, Milo stepped in. The balloon lifted off the ground. Quietly, gently, like a deep breath. Up it went, higher and higher. Soon he was above the trees, above the town, above the clouds. Below him he saw tiny floating islands, each one different. He passed a jelly bean-shaped island full of bouncing rabbits. One island was made of piano keys, and when the wind blew, they played songs. Another had waterfalls flowing upward, sparkling like diamonds. Finally, the balloon stopped over a glowing island with trees made of glass and flowers that whispered. As he stepped off, a creature approached. It was a tall, wise-looking bird, feathers like paintbrushes, eyes like stars. "You've arrived," the bird said, "at the Garden of Ideas." "This is a real place?" Milo asked. "Only for those who believe in questions," said the bird. "Here, sky seeds grow into new worlds." The bird gave him a pouch filled with sparkling seeds. "Plant your thoughts," he said. "Let them become something new." Milo walked around the island and planted each seed. From one, a castle made of books grew. From another, a cloud that sang lullabies. One seed even became a telescope that showed dreams instead of stars. Milo smiled. He had never felt so alive, so curious, so full of wonder. When the last seed was planted, the bird gave him a gift, a tiny jar holding a piece of the sky. "Take this home," he said. "Whenever you need to wonder, just open it." The balloon returned and gently took Milo back down to earth, back to his tree, back to his sketchbook. But everything felt different now. He looked at the sky and smiled, because now he knew. The sky didn't just hold clouds or stars. It held seeds, and every question was a chance to grow something magical.